Hello, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. Today we are going to learn about verb. What is a verb? Verbs are used to describe an action or state of being. There are a few types of verbs and almost every sentence requires a verb. But in this lesson, I only want to focus on action verbs. What is an action verb? It is a verb that describes an action. Eat, read, cook, study, dance. These are examples of action verbs. Good. Now let's write a complete sentence using the verbs. A formula to write a sentence is subject plus verbs plus object. Now change the verbs to eat, cook, read. Subject plus eat plus object, subject plus cooks plus object, subject plus read plus object. A subject can be person, place, or thing. Let's focus on the person. Person can be I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or people's names. Peter, Linda, Ping, Jenny, Jerry. You just learned about a subject, a verb, and formula for writing a complete sentence. Let's practice by writing them in a simple present tense. Subject plus verbs plus object. I eat a burger. Ping reads a book. Linda cooks fried rice. Peter studies English. They dance often. Good. Congratulations. You just wrote complete sentence. Keep practicing so you won't forget. Also, you can use the 50 action verbs that I attach on the description below. Next lesson, I will teach you about the state of being verbs. Thank you. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.